Hello everyone, are you ready for this week's Tai Chi? Then let's get started. We'll start with a deep breath, in and out. And raise your arms to the side, breathing in and out. And this time, bend at the elbows, gather in, and press down. We're sinking the chi. Breathing in and out. And now step with 1 foot shoulder width. Doesn't matter which foot. Raise the arms out in front of us. Shoulder height and back down. For opening the door. Breathing in and out. It's like the waves in the ocean, rising and falling. And one more time. And around the arms out in front of us, and we're giving a big hug. One hand floats to the chest, the other floats underneath for embracing the moon. Toss that moon, switch your hands, and catch it again. We're embracing the moon. Breathing in and out. And give that big hug again. And sink the chi. And now pull in with a little step, push out with a little step. Breathe in, breathe out. Now cross the wrists out in front of us, bring it around in front and back. Breathing in and out. One more time. Bring it in with a pull, out with a push. Open and to the other side. Pull in, push out. And cross the wrists out in front of us, circle around and back. Breathe in and out. more time. And bring it in with a pull and a push. And open, open to the other side. Just one time, cross the wrist in front of us, circle around, and now cross the wrist down low, and bring it up and around, Princess in the Valley. One more time. And pull in, push out, and open, and let's go to the other side. One hand cross the wrist in front of us, circle around, cross the wrist down low, and bring it up, up, Princess in the Valley. Breathe out. And push out. Open. In. Push out. In. One time. Cross this in front of us. Circle around. One time. Cross this down low. And reverse that direction. Cross the wrist up high. Princess on the mountain top. Breathe in. Breathe out. And climb that mountain. Find that princess. And bring her down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Bring it in with a pull. Out with a push. Circle, circle. And pull in. Push out. One time. Cross this in front of us. Circle around. One time, cross down low, big circle, reverse that direction, puts us on the mat. And in with a pull, out with a push. Breathe in and out. Open to the other side. Pull in, push out. One time. Cross this, circle around. Reverse that direction. And open. And push out. Caress the wrist, circle around. Cross and down. And we climb that mountain again. Find the princess. Turn her down. In, push out, open to center, and sink the chi. Breathing in and out. And stay with me here. One hand, sink the chi. Come up and over that moon. Up to the heart space. And release. Up and over. Sink it down. Back up to the heart space. Make a diamond with your fingers and press out. Out, out, out. And release. Up and over the moon. Breathing in and out. Make that diamond shape and share the chi with the world. And release. Let's do that sequence one more time. Out, out, out. And release. Sink the chi. And now this time, at the bottom, cross at the wrist. Bring it up overhead, and let's close the door. Breathing in and out. And this time, just the shoulder height. And let the arms fall to your sides. One foot steps in, two hands together, and a little bow. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.